frozen wastelands, empress of the toxic tundra and ruler of the deserts of death. You stand convicted of heinous crimes of cruelty, destruction, and extermination. You are hereby sentenced to perpetual imprisonment. You will be entombed here on the cold, barren planet of Oblivia, here in the Temple of Time. Prisoner, have you any last words?
My foes were merely swept away with the trash as I cleaned up the neighborhood. Your tiny-minded meddling will only serve to deliver you to a merciless end when I am released.
There will be no release. Lock her up and throw away the key.
Captain's log. Stardate 36/24/36. Captain Crash. Jordan. Of the starship entered by surprise. Part of the Planetary Space Patrol. Our ship's communications droid has intercepted an interstellar distress call. So far, we have only interpreted the words, "help me." But we have established that the message originated from a planet known as Oblivia, deep within the Forbidden Zone. While en route to investigate, our ship was caught in a meteor storm. Our shields were badly damaged and I spilled my tea. While the crew were carrying out the necessary repairs, we were attacked by space pirates. Well, we managed to fight them off, but I was forced to order an emergency landing on this strange and unnerving planet. I must confess to having a bad feeling about this place.
Good day, Master. As you asked for, 5 potatoes and a bottle of port.
A what?
You asked for some potatoes and port, sir.
Status and port. I asked for a status report. Pull yourself together, crewman couples. Fetch me Commander Beak.
Yes, sir, right away. The situation is critical, sir.
How bad is it, Commander?
Well, sir, it's too early to tell. But the acting seems poor, and the jokes are terrible.
Black holes, man. Just give me the status report.
Yes, sir. The hull is badly damaged, and we predict the ship may not survive takeoff. The warp drive reactor is unstable, and we have lost our supplies of uranium crystals. The shields are weak and will not survive another attack. Only a few are dead. And the Marines, 2 space cadets, and the kitchen staff. Our crew of 300 is down to 10.
Commander, it is at times like these when we must show our true spirit. No matter how bad the circumstance or how bleak the outlook, we must stand strong. And above all, never panic. Now, is there anything else?
We've run out of tea bags.
Oh my
What will become of us?
All is not lost, sir. My senses indicate a power source of considerable magnitude. Just beyond that badly painted horizon. Locate power source, then the shield fix the engines, then...
We might just get off this barren rock.
Exactly, sir. For it's indeed a strange and amusing We're stuck here like sitting ducks.
Like ducks doing what, Commander?
Sitting, sir, sitting.
Never mind. You be off and organise a search party.
Yes, sir.
There you are, Captain.
Greetings, Ambassador.
Spare me the pleasantries, Captain. I want to know why we have made this unscheduled landing.
Unscheduled? You may not have noticed, but that was an emergency landing.
Of course I noticed. It was such a bumpy landing that I bruised my bottom.
Oh, well, maybe you'd like me to rub it better for you.
No, I would not.
Oh, yes, she would.
No, I would not.
Oh, yes, she would. You have to decide whose side you're on. Oh, yes, she would. Oh, yes, she would.
No, I would not.
Well, I don't think my hands were big enough for the job anyway, so please excuse me. I have a search party to organise. Oh, and by the way, she would.
Oh, this really is too much. 5 years in space aboard a floating outpost. This really is a very lonely place. Oh, black holes, with no power. We marooned on this rock and we may never see Earth again. Do things really get any worse?
Oh, hello, Ambassador. Have you heard? We might be attacked by space pirates any minute now.
Oh, no! Oh, Bob, it Do you like our salute? It's good, isn't it? The thing is, I'm still in training and I have to keep practicing it. I tell you what, would you practice it with me? Would you practice it with me? Yes! Oh, that would be toppy-tastic. But let me let you into a secret. This is how I remember it. It's chesty, bory, flicky. You got that? You try it out with me. Chesty, bory, flicky. So if I say to you, hail fellow space travellers, then you say to me, hail poppy cockles. Give it again. Hail fellow space travellers. Hail poppy cockles. Oh, that's lovely. I can feel the lukewarm. But I want to feel a whole lot more. So let's try it one more time and give me everything you've got. Okay. Hail fellow space travellers! Hail poppy cockles! Oh, that's well dreamed. Oh, I'm drowning in your love. Thank you so much. And yes, better get back to spirit. So when you're not all stowaways or ugly aliens, to tell me tonight, what's that? Some of you just lovely, and some of you definitely come from another planet. But which one's a which? Take no notice of me. I'm just putting you blinky blonkers. You're right then, my kitty cockaleekers. No, really, are you all right? Yeah, like I said, I'm Space Cadet Poppy Cockle. I'm the captain's number 2. And that's how you call me is right, little shipmate. With something like that. I adjust the captain's personal. I mean, I assist him personally. He's warned me to be on the lookout for any buccaneering bandits from the Black Hand Gang. And keeping me poppy peepers peeled, the nasty stinking pirates. One's big and one's not so. I tell you, I'm proper cracking myself. They could be out there, anywhere. So keep looking. Be aware. Be aware. Oh. Oh! Oh, Poppy! Oh, Jack, my goodness, it's you. Why? Were you expecting someone else? I thought you might be one of the Black Hand Gang. Hey! No, I watched them before I came out. Oh, pirates, Jack! Oh, where? There. Somewhere. Do you mean you boys and girls? Oh, now listen, I've got to make sure you're getting secured. Quite right. You aren't any strange intruder in your back door. That's all my kitty cockaleek is. I'll see you later. See you. Oh, I wish I could have took this space training. And then I'd get my wings like poppies. My mum won't let me. She keeps me stuck in that kitchen. So maybe an abduction, but in danger of going mad. The only good thing about working in there is I get to see the ambassador and it's really saving all me. Have you seen our eyes medals? The handle of toppy of the pudding. Oh, I'd love the chance to talk to her properly. Anyway, best be off. I'm on foraging duty, trying to find anything that we can cook up and eat. But this planet is almost totally lifeless. Oh, forage, forage, forage. I'm fed up with foraging.
Mistress, you seem somewhat disconsolate again. Is it homesickness?
Oh, TQ, all my dreams are in fractures. One day I hope to return home to Earth, complete the diplomatic corps, and pursue my one-true passion, cooking.
Cooking, mistress?
Yes, cooking, TQ, the art or practice of cooking food.
Ah, like Dame Dolly Dumpling and her mega-made oven.
Well, sort of, TQ. But one day I long for a kitchen of my own with someone very special like my
Well, that's awfully kind of you, mistress, but I only require fresh oil and a change of my battery, 40,000 humanoid years or so.
Oh no, not this again.
Oh dear, oh hi, help me, help me, help me. Autoclass repair, autoclass repair. Help me, help me, help me.
Oh no. No, hey. Oh, Ambassador, what seems to be the problem? Oh, Jack isn't it? Don't you work in the kitchen? Yes, but your droid has the same control panel as the egg-away oven in the kitchen. Oh, Jack, what a very strange and unusually shaped tool you have there.
That's my sonic stunner.
Family heirloom. Your great-great-grandfather found it in the lost depths of Uranus. He said it's one of a pair. It should have a mate in the heart. Well, shouldn't we all? Well, if I give a bit of a squeeze, a tug,
So help me, help me.
Oh, Jack, you're ever so clever.
Could Crew and Dumpling report to the kitchen immediately? Crew and Dumpling to the kitchen. Thank you.
Oh, that's me. I better be off. Oh, Jack, would you take me with you? I'm frightened of getting grabbed by the great ants. Certainly. See you later, boys and girls.
He's got something in his eye. And talking of which, hello, have you lost something? Only my dignity. Oh, TQ. We call him TQ for obvious reasons. Somebody just got it down there. Well done. Thank you. Oh, all that labour just for that giggle there. Oh, TQ. Is that you here? Let me get you up. Is that better? Yes, thank you, Dame Dolly. Really first get hold of Captain Crash. Cheerio, my dog. Ooh, how am I getting hold of Captain Crash? Ooh, it's gorgeous. I'm distracted there for a minute, wasn't I? Hello, my ducks. How are you? Are you alright?
Yes.
Put that death bomb up. Let's try that one again, otherwise I'll be picking on one or two of you. Are you alright? Yes! Amazing the amount of energy one can recover in about 10 seconds from the threat of me. Well, look at you, bless. Where are you all from, you lot? What planet? Anybody from that awful, terrible black hole they call Alistair? What about the furthest reaches of the known civilized world? Allenton? Somebody at the back thinking, oh, better not. Think twice about that one. Well, allow me, I am Dame Dolly Dumpling at your service from the planet Earth, in case you were wondering. I am the ship's cook and counsellor aboard the stricken starship Enterprise Surprise. Yes, you may well do. Because tears to your eyes when they do that, doesn't it? Yes, as I say, I'm cooking counsellor to the big crew on that ship. If the crew need feeding up, they come to me. And if the feeding fails, they come to me. Because you know, 5 long years we've been searching the blackened void in search of intelligent life. Now, it looks like we'll have to keep on looking. But you know, travelling through space can play havoc on both body and mind, as well as feeling blue, blue, blue in all the black, black, black. Zero gravity can play havoc with your bowel movements. Oh, it can, my you know what I mean. Yeah, but I don't suffer from it because I follow Dame Dolly's strict diet of yeast, hops, barley, sugar and water at least thrice night. Oh yes, keeps me as regular as clockwork. 7 o'clock on the dot every morning. Trouble is, I don't really Now look, as I said, I'm responsible for morale and keeping your spirits high. So you lot, you can do your bit and all. I tell you what we'll do. With the communal participation. Alright? Every time I should remember to say, hey up me ducks, what's cooking? You lot reply, just you, good looking. Yeah, I know me and that phrase seem mutually exclusive, but believe me, for the sake of today's pantomime, we'll go along with that, won't we? Yeah. Sit there, I've been in work in the school. Okay, let's just try that. Coming on, having a look. Hey up me cooks, what's cooking? Just you, good looking. Miss, out of 10, how many? It was a bit low. What we're looking at 2 minutes. I'm looking 5 things at least. Let's try that one again. Oh, what a lovely day. What a strange planet. What a big rocket. Oh, hey, up me ducks. What's cooking? Just you, good looking. Bobby. They're in the greens from Dwyer. Oh, yes. Well done, everybody. That was absolutely fantastic. So, have you met our little robot friend? Hey, you being round here? You lot, and Marcus sitting in detention. Alright? I'm not going to come down there, but get all disciplinarian on, yeah? This time! Do you know, the interesting thing, the reading it is interesting, about fucking TQ, is that he was not on our little. No, we found him on a little stop-off. Am I boring you, like? Just let him get comfy. I blame parents for allocated carers myself. We're going to be out of here by about 6 o'clock, so alright? Make your mind up. Hey, alright? Next time, send me a postcard on your tip. Alright, go on. Go sit yourself down, man. There you go. It ain't just in the city schools, is it, eh? Come in. As I was saying, we stopped off at a sandwich planet called Carboutier Sheets. Nobody normally gets a word of that, do you? A little intake of breath. I'll have it. I'll have it for everything I can get. So we stopped off, and there he was, blessing all in bits. His pipes were dried, and he was awfully neglected. You know how that feels, my duck. So, we picked him up, we dusted him down, we polished his helmet. We lubricated his tubes. And we tied up his nuts. And now he's almost as good as gold, absolutely. Almost. We've had to crash land on this whole. And we're not very old crew. You're getting better, obviously. Have you been to Panto before? Oh, yeah, I don't know why I'm standing like that. I'm just checking my pit. More please, please. No, yeah, always been shocking. That crash landing, I was up and down all over the place. And then I found we've got virtually no left in the kitchen, nothing to eat. So I sent our Jack. He is my right hand man in the kitchen. He's my son, my pride and my joy and the fruit of my womb. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's just good quads exercise, isn't it? All my glutes getting firmer as I touch it. I said, Jack, get out there and have a good porridge. See if you can't find out to eat. We need something to cook up. Give us some sustenance, man. We need a bit of flesh around them. Eat green. You want chocolate to be smile, bless him. Like having a tea. Oh, but he won't have to about it. He won't have to. Why have I got one planet? He harbours a dream of becoming space ranger. of undertaking some heroic deed and getting his wings. But I'll keep him safe with me. I said, get yourself out there, Al Jack, and have a forage. You lot are going to regret it, mate. I said, go out and have a forage. Find a forest and see if you can't first out any fungi. Well, it's a fungi to be with. You know what's coming. Let's work on the challenging behaviour, bro. I said, fertile, aren't any fruit. Go and find some flora, some fauna. I can't think of anything else beginning with there. Some fungi and some potatoes.
But Bob, there's no F in potatoes.
And that's why we've had no chips. 12 minutes of me going on for that. Milk it. Hey, it's not the biggest news in the world, that guy. Hey up, Alan Jack. Oh, ambassador.
Oh, then darling, I wonder if there is anything good to help.
That's one in that accent for a bit. It'd be good, wouldn't it? She must be from Cornwall. One of them living au pairs. In fact, I'm pretty convinced that's what she is because I heard the captain saying something about, oh, what a pair. Well done, you got there, didn't you? Bless you. Oh, yes, ambassador. Is there any way you can help at all? Oh, yes. I think we've got a meal to cook for crew. Jack, go and get ambassador an apron. Are you any good at handling meat?
I know,
I bet you do. Well, we don't want any greasy meat juice all over your ambassadorial clothes. Where the little cackle came from. Long hair, dark jacket, dark top, and a red scarf round the neck. That's your hair. Well, no surprise in the shop. Yes! You don't want any greasy meat juice on those ambassadorial rooms. Yeah, put that apron on, I do. Quite possibly. Hold on a minute, Alan Jack. Which peg did you get this off? Was it number 3? Oh, you know, I think I was wearing this head last week when I had a little problem with microwave oven. Yeah, I had to get the heat engineer in, and he had to inspect me glue. And I think it's all right now, so everything's good, so don't worry. Now listen, we've got to get off and cook a meal for crew. We'll see y'all later. Ta-da, Mado! See ya!
It's worse than that, Pete. 4QTQ has interpreted the rest of the message. TQ?
You have one new message.
Your tiny-minded meddling will only serve to deliver you to a merciless end when I am released. I will return, I will seek my revenge. So help me, help me, help me, help me.
We may not live to starve to death.
Oh dear, oh my, oh dear.
Sir, my scans of this area are complete. It appears there's an ancient ruin. Oh, here.
Oh yes, here she comes now.
I hope we don't stop cooking! You sadness, man. I love you. Hello, Captain, my captain.
Dame Dolly,
Yes?
I want you to summon the rest of the crew and meet us at these coordinates. And Dame Dolly, it's urgent.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Oh, he's so masterful, isn't he? Oh, do you know, oh, he's a track space pilot. He really knows his way around the cockpit. Well, I hope so. Oh, yes, look, he's giving me tricorder. Push these here buttons. These are from the future. Your future. You won't quite understand it. Modern technology. This is called a mobile telecommunications device. It means I can order pizza from anywhere in the galaxy. It's also got one of those satellite navigational systems, which means I can get lost just about anywhere in the Milky Way. Right, put that just here for now. Hey, listen, I've been into the kitchen. Oh, I've had a right proper clean up. I am good at school. You say I was a good scrubber at school. Now, the thing is, I found these. Did these belong to you? You sure they're not yours, right? Look about your side. Yeah, you can have that one, right? Now, I found in here some out-of-date space rations, and I know the space rations because they've got Star Mix, and they belong to somebody called Harry Burke. But we can't eat them with our delicate 26th century stomachs. So you lot who are virtually Neanderthals, you can have them with no ill effects, can't you? Put your hands up and your fingers up your nose if you want one. There you are, come on there, come on my dog, there you are, kid. Hold on, head up. There's loads of them. Right, cover your eyes. Okay, go on. Biggins, give it to Litlands. Litlands, eat them. Hey, I'll give it teachers like them every so often. They are due. Go on, get it. Go on, let's go. Go on. There's more, I don't believe it. The bounteous riches of the universe. It's like, Mother from heaven, isn't it? Look at that. Hello, his meaning is, it's the opposite of Santa, that one. There you go. Oh, have you blind somebody? Save your appetite, even there. We're on a mission now to find a power source of considerable magnitude. I'll see you later. Ta-ta, my ducks.
Shiver me timber!
Prepare to repel borders!
I like to come your Jim. Come on! Try me on my foot that ice mainsail!
Will you slow down? If I catch up with you, I'll have you spreading barnacles off my rudder, you half-witted bilge rat!
You scurvy ridden off excuse for a man. Get on!
I'm going as fast as my old pencil can be you, cloud-scraping, empty-headed space cadet. Are you after a quarrel?
You malodorous mouth-born. I owe you open you up from bucks to kissing and stuff you like a parrot, you glorified God Norman!
Shut it! Shut it! Shut it, please. Otherwise I'll have you walk on the planet. Now, your pet.
You hapless sea dog. I had to hoist you by the tail. Oh! Testimonials. To apologise for the so allow us to introduce. My name is Barrow. Zach Barrow.
And my name is Wheel. Barrow.
And together, we are the infamous space known as the Black Guy.
I'll tell you what, brother. I might need loosening up a bit. What do you think, eh?
Wow, I think we might get away with this for a couple of minutes before the director pulls us off. So, you got anything in mind?
Well, I have actually.
Oh, really?
Something to lubricate those tongues and get them loosened up a bit. Ah! pirate, innit?
All right, look, well, we are, aren't we? Let's start with an easy one then. In the pirate alphabet, what's the only letter that you need to know to be a good pirate?
Hey?
No, not A, you fool! It's R, isn't it? No, not I! Will you not tell him what is it? Exactly!
Oh!
No! Will you tell him again, you buffoon?
So what you're saying to me is that to be a good pirate, you need big arms.
And you know what? You don't know your R's from your elbow. Because this lot are much better pirates than you.
Oh, no, they're not. Oh, no, you're not. I got a question for you then. You think you're so good. Pirate likes a game of football. But what is their favourite team?
Arsenal.
No, not Derby! The Premiership team of Trotter team! Derby, they're rubbish! Arsenal! I told you they were rubbish! You know everyone else got that first time!
I got another one for a right. What's your favourite pirate member of the family who's normally married to your grandfather? Grandpa! You heard it before. You? Grandma! And what's grandma's favourite clothing?
Yeah, a jumper with buttons in front.
A jumper with buttons in the front. Did I hear somebody say it? It's very good. Now, as I was saying, we members see as bones the last reminders.
The ruler of the frozen wastelands of Asbone.
We sail at God's lips. Plundering and
Pillaging and plundering, ransacking
rifling.
and buckling and sword.
Just buckling again! No.
But all in the name of our revered empress.
Who was entombed, according to legend, on this here planet?
Way back in the salty
Who will one day return to lead all Asbonians to greatness and glory.
glory and greatness. And all that to do is find the mystical temple of time.
Which has been a prison for
Our warrior queen entombed on this earth for over 40,000 years. We are coming, my queen, ramming speed to the temple of time.
Oh, I fancy a bit more rogering and rifling and maybe a bit of ransacking.
You might disappear.
According to my calculations, we've only been here for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? We've been down miles of corridors and explored hundreds of rooms. Just
uranium crystal.
My friends indicate it should be here, sir. There's nothing there.
Black holes, man!
Wait, sir. The signal. It's on the move.
After it! Onward!
Oh! Good jacket. It's as good as a day trip, so I thought we might as well make the effort. How we ducks, what's cooking? Oh, Jack! Oh, Ambassador! Oh! Oh! Oh, I can't go on any longer!
Oh, what are you talking about? We've only been in here 2 minutes. This place is huge! Huge!
We could be stuck in here forever!
Ever! Has it been here before? You know what? I'm going to put my spanner down there, and then you'll go and find our way out.
Good thinking, Howard Jack. You know he leaves his tool in the strange places. Now then, onward! According to my calculations, we've only been in here for 2
Minutes? We've gone down miles of corridors and explored the hundreds of rooms, just like this one.
2 minutes, mistress.
Oh, look! A sonic spanner, just like Jack's. He must have come this way. Let's take it with us in case we need to fix you. This way, sir!
Onward!
Sir!
Oh, hey, up me ducks, what's cooking? Don't worry, I'm getting bored of it at all. Oh, I can't go on any longer, really.
Oh, we've been in here 2 minutes! Have we been here before?
Onward!
We've been here for hours.
2 minutes, mistress.
Sonic spanner.
Just like
Jack.
What's up, Bob?
Rain's going on, right? But there again, time is pretty sticky stuff. Pretty cool. Exactly. Quick, come on, let's be off. Before we get stuck here.
Oh, hold on, shit, mate. Looks like he's frozen in time. And I've all those is frozen there.
Well, shave my hairy back! Looks like the mystical keys of time!
You mean that is what we've been on all these years?
Exactly! They say... They say that once these two far-flung arms are reunited once more, only then will our Queen's Telescope open up its door!
Let's not delay then.
servants, Your Majesty.
Well then, rise, noble liberators. You wear the Asbovian warrior crest. Art thou my kinsman?
Are your last descendants, O wondrous one?
My last? Well then, what star date have we?
Well, it's 38, 24, 38.
Speak not untruths to me.
No, 'tis true, your majesty.
Then, I have been in prison for over 40,000 years. Oh, but not aged one bit. Has peace reigned in my absence?
Or, be quiet around here, quite nice, really.
Oh, ever so relaxing, I'd say.
Well, not anymore. I have 40,000 years of death and destruction to make up for. And, believe it or not, you and you are going to help me.
Aye.
The thaumaturgicon, where be it?
What?
The sonic spanner, give it to me. Oh. Yes. This magic key opens more than prison cells. It cuts holes through the very fabric of time. Oh, thaumaturgicon, sonic spanner, weapon of the Asbovian race. Open a doorway through time and space.
Sounds more like a back passage of obscurity, if you ask me.
Oh no, look! The wormhole is closed!
Good that, innit?
Oh no! If I could turn back time, if I could find a way, I could go and find the crystal and save the day!
Fear not, my friendly earthling chums, there's hell at hand, and here it comes. We angels can, with cosmic thought, create what you might call a time warp. We must, and without hesitation, perform a galactic incantation. We'll need some help to get right through it. Audience, we need you to help us do it.
If you know the words, you know the actions, just join in.
It's astounding!
Time is meeting!
And madness will take its toll.
Angel, and I can get us back home. But I might need some help. Who's with me?
Poor chap, I'm with you all the way.
That's the spirit, crewman Cockles.
And you'll need someone to keep you warm.
Permission to join the expedition, sir.
Permission granted.
And you'll need a protocol droid. Well, I'm not stopping here on my own. If you're exploring black holes and tunnels, Captain, I'll do it with you.